My dear friends, I'm pleased to tell you that our African Animation Challenge, about the start of which I informed you in our previous meeting, is gaining momentum. We already have the first participants. Our new student from Egypt, Ali Abdullah Haidan, made these funny monkeys dancing on an alpine meadow. And these are not just dancing monkeys. These are monkeys dancing in support of African youth. This is Ali's first animated work, so please don't judge too harshly. This is exactly the case, then the result is not important, but important the participation itself. Our main task in this challenge is to draw public attention to the problems of Black continent and, if possible, help to solve it. And Ali's next work was this merry yellow dog. As you understand, Ali tried to recreate the New Year cartoon which we made on the eve of 2018. And by this, he very timely reminded us that the New Year 2020 is coming, and it is the great time to make New Year cartoons and greeting cards. It has already become a good tradition for the General Animation Studio to congratulate our friends on the New Year with animated greeting cards, and we choose it as the next assignment of our animation challenge. The approaching 2020 will be the year of the rat or mouse, according to the Chinese horoscope. So the main characters of our greeting cards will be funny rats, mice, and all kind of other cute rodents. Do you know that the New Year and Christmas Eve is the best time for animation? So, if you even have never made animation before, then this is the best moment to start. Visit our website generalanimation.com, watch our fascinating animated video tutorials, learn animation with us, and we will make cartoons together. In the downloads of our website generalanimation.com, you will find a lot of interesting models for animation. We even made some funny rodents already, but we will always be happy to see your own characters. Send us your works to take part in our animation challenge and help children in Africa. See you again!
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.